There are literally millions of people who wish they could quit their day jobs. With an uncertain economy, nasty bosses, a dreadful commute and salaries that allow you to only live from paycheck to paycheck, the idea of making a living online is a dream held by many. Paid Social Media Jobs is an online program that promises that you can make money online easily if you purchased their program. A story about a lady, Annie Jones, is used to inspire confidence in the training and the earning potential of this course. We decided to take a closer look at paid social media jobs, and this is what we found out. The good points. 1. With the thousands of scams and hyped-up opportunities online, paid social media jobs is one of the more trustworthy ones. There are people who are making good money as social media managers. This course will give you a good foundation to get started and make some money online. Of course, to get to 4 or 5 figures a month, you'll need to work on your skills and look beyond this course. Nevertheless, it's a good start. 2. The instructions are laid out in an easy-to-understand manner that will make it a breeze to follow. People who are not savvy with computers and the internet will be able to understand the process and follow it in a step-by-step way. 3. The program is an online bestseller. To some extent, this is reassuring. 4. There are a variety of methods to choose from. So, there's something for everyone here. 5. This product is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee. You can test it out for 60 days, and if you do not make any money with paid social media jobs, you can get a refund and recoup your investment. 6. The methods shown are scalable. Once you understand how it all works and you gained confidence in completing and delivering jobs, there's nothing stopping you from trying out other freelancing platforms to increase your income. The bad points. 1. The sales copy has a lot of hype and can make people skeptical. Over and above that, the earning potential is exaggerated. While the methods shown do work, you'll not make as much as the sales copy claims. To get to that level, you'll need to work on your business for quite a while. This is not a get-rich-quick program like the sales page wants you to think it is. Nevertheless, if you want a simple and straightforward way to make a couple of hundred or a few thousand a month, this course can help you. 2. You can only purchase this product online. Should you get it, if you're looking to supplement your income with a couple of hundred every month, this is a good way to start. Freelancing is a proven business model, and paid social media jobs will show you what to do. It's relatively easy to follow and has very low startup costs. After all, you can get a free account with most social media sites. From there, it's just a matter of following the instructions in this program. Most people will benefit from just a couple of $100 extra. It could take care of your utilities bill or a car payment or cover gas money, and so much more. Once you get better at it, you could start outsourcing or arbitraging and making a couple of thousand each month. Of course, that's in the future when you have experience. But it all starts now. Paid social media jobs will give you that stepping stone towards diversifying and increasing your income. Definitely worth trying. Get paid social media jobs now.